Brazil. The Bebbles Brazil. Ah, waffle. But we might have found a winner yet. We might have found a winner, Joe.
Yeah.
This shit is fine, Joe. This is a way.
She's a physics though.
Let me close the here and open it. Oh. You just rev it a little bit. Ooh-wee. What do you think about it, Lou?
It's nice, but it's small.
Cap.
Joe, there's definitely an exhaust here. Yeah, this definitely my cup of tea, Joe. This is definitely my cup of tea, Joe. What you think about it? That's fun.
I guess I eat too fun.
But for you saying this shit is small, though.
I'm fun, it's fire, Joe.
It's got the pipes, then. What you think about it, Nka? Out of 10, what did you rate it?
Out of 10, I'll give it a 8. I say
Hey, nigga. An 8. You gave this shit an 8. An 8. 4. Yo.
Escalas baningi.
Yo.
How much would you give it, Wayne?
Yeah, in 8.
8.
In 8. Wanted to give it a 7, but nah.
No.
The exhaust, yeah. Without the pipes, I would give it a 7, Mara-ish. But for what would you rate this clutch? What would you rate it? Be honest, no. Talk, man. Talk, bro. Lazarus one. And I fuck with it. I fuck with it. Yeah, that shit is tiny though, yo.
That's the thing. I want to check for the space you can eat.
This one, everyone is serve away because, Johnny, big city is for stocks. It's for Benson's. Everyone is. But you're comfortable though.
The space is not a lot.
Yeah?
The space is not a lot, big cage.
You comfortable? Nah.
It's a BM.
Yeah, this shit with a low profile on it. Yeah, well, this shit is.
Yeah, then we are easy.
Sort of this thing, but. I mean, yeah.
This shit is. Look it like that. We're not doing that. We're not doing that.
trying to take this shit forward.
No, we're not saying that. So we can see how much space you have. That's right.
Yeah, I can't take it. Yeah.
Yeah.
I can't take it
Like the.
Yeah. Big cities for stocks.
Big city gas store. Yo, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Vussy, Magz in the building, aka Supreme Traders. You already know what it is. I know today, but Fritz Nas is throwing bricks. Yeah, but today, NAS100 is throwing breaks today, and we're about to explain why. Right? So subscribe, like, click the bell notification icon.
But we're still
Awesome.
waiting for NAS100 to touch a certain level. Yeah, so
Yeah, we're still waiting to see what's going on. Even on the USA 30. What are you seeing there, Buff?
I don't like USD.
Huh?
I don't like USD, but
You don't like USA 30?
yeah, but it seems like they are going to the same direction. I think. And
Yeah, it seems like that.
yeah, but I don't.
We have the same kind of structure today on NAS and USA.
Men USA we don't get along. So. I won't say much.
Me and US 30 we don't get along. Thing is, lately US 30 has been stubborn.
Yeah, it's been stubborn, yo. That is why I'm not even like interested on it.
Yeah, lately the structure in USA 30 hasn't been the best, you know. So instead of sending signals on USA 30 knowing very well our chances of making money are going to be less than when we're trading NAS100. Because at the moment NAS100 we're always killing it, but hey, USA 30 we can still make money, but there's going to be a few losses there and there. So I'd much rather not risk or play with anyone's account, you understand? And if you know what, before I remember you used to like the USA 30 a lot.
Yeah, I used to.
You used to like USA 30 a lot, this guy.
Because at that time, NAS100 like was moving where it goes.
Yeah, it was always moving proper, the structure. And then now I don't know what phase we're in the markets, but the structure on NAS makes more sense now than
USA 30.
So we're gonna stick to what works, and anything else that's not working right now, we're gonna avoid. But you know, because the game in trading, like most of your money comes from you being able to adapt to different market conditions and cycles. Money is money. Money is money. So right now the money is at NAS100. We still send USA 30 signals when the structure is making sense, but don't expect it like all the time, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna catch you guys later when I get to the trade, you know what I'm saying?
This one.
NAS100 is storing big bricks, Mara. When it's time to find the entry, let's believe that, you know what I'm saying, the supreme traders will always find a nice entry. The signal will send to the members also. And for references, you can even show on our channel what's the members. The members really got it like that. The members really got it. Well, we entered the first one and throw bricks, and then now we found the right sniper entry. That's the thing. So now we're just gonna hold a little bit, but all the members who wanna secure profits now, because you know it's NAS100, so
Yeah.
can move 2 inches in it, and you'll find out what's the profit. It's already too much. So you must just secure whatever you can. You must just secure it. Whatever you can, you must just secure one time. Don't care about pips. You don't care about pips, Joe. You only care about the money. So I will catch you guys later.
A few moments later.
No, Buffett. No. That's 100 milkers. We're not even back yet at our trip, Mara. Already, this NAS100 thing, Joe, is doing the most. It's doing the most.
Expecting this thing to.
But
This thing too on a push.
we want to see the progress. We want to see the progress. How far are we now? In the maybe M5 or M15?
Okay. M15 we are here.
So
M15 we are here.
see where we snap this thing.
Yeah. Still on a push.
So of course, if you look at what's going on the left side, I will see there's no structure.
There's no stand. Only using our net magic.
The other day we were just using the power of this sniper. You understand what I'm saying? So I go for China. Our trip. They just arrived like a bit here, so I'm gonna catch you guys